welcome to another exciting episode of North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. We are up to hunting. Not hunting for animals, we are hunting for a hiking spot. My sweet, cute, handsome nephew, his name is Micah Noel Jacob. They live in Canada, my sister's son. They of late visited a spot for hiking and they sent me the pictures and it was amazing. Canada is a beautiful country, beautiful country. And they often, whenever they get time from their busy schedule, any holidays, they go for camping, they go for hiking, and that thrills the two little boys of my sister, like two little nephews of my sister. And Micah told me, Mossy, you don't have hiking places over there in your place? So looking at those pictures, even my boys started, Mama, we also want to go for hiking. So hiking, it might happen in different parts of our country, but not much popular in the place where we are living. So today, me and Satish are going out and searching for a hiking spot which is safe for us to take our kids, and we're gonna go and hunt for that. Our Royal Enfield, our Blackie, is ready to go with us up and down wherever we go. We don't know. Okay, so it is ready, but so many days we haven't even started the vehicle. So our first challenge is to make this buddy start. You go like
wait. One switch off first.
Switch off.
Again switch on.
Again switch on.
Yeah, try.
No, you do. My God, I can stand.
Try again.
Oops.
Oh, just leave it. Just hold on. Just hold on. Huh?
Although I don't know to.
Hold on.
I don't know to.
Keep
ride a
running.
moment,
Amazing.
But I did it.
Good.
Woman power. Okay, good job, buddy.
Just keep running.
You never let me go. You never let me go.
Keep running. Run. It's okay.
Running. I think that's the problem.
Yeah.
Otherwise, in single kick it happens, right? So the first kick was mine. Whoa! That's a big roar. That's a big roar. Okay. Buddy, put your helmet. I'll hold the throttle. Don't worry.
Helmet.
Put the mask.
Yeah,
Mask on.
Right?
Mask on.
Mask on.
Helmet up. On your head.
Ready? Let's go.
Hey, I need to put my mask and helmet too. So me and Satish. Oops.
I can't see anything.
Okay, me and Satish ready for our journey. A short trip hunting for the hiking spot. Woo-hoo. The roads are still wet. See the green. So refreshing, friends.
How about that mountain?
That mountain, amazing, but how do we go up?
No, there'll be a trail. There will be a trail. Want to see that?
Maybe we go and search.
I think we'll try over here. This place. Look at that place.
Check there.
Go up.
So we are going little bit off-roading now. Earlier on my right hand side, the view that you are seeing right now, earlier there were lots of eucalyptus trees, and now they have cleared it up,
See this?
and now you have
I
this
think it's
wonderful
a
view.
good place for a hike.
It's like a small tunnel, and I know. You want me to get down? Wait. So that was a little steep place, and since it has rained and there is all mud over here, it was a bit scary. It might skid, so I got down from the bike. And these wet leaves sometimes can make us to skid.
How about this area?
Oh wow, the beautiful mountain. That's a beautiful mountain. Look at that mountain.
See one more trail.
Wow.
Want to
see
try
the
out
look.
that area? Scary?
Yeah, a little bit. It's just giving me a feeling of a forest visit, seriously.
Forest only.
Superb. Amazing, look at that. Both the sides, it's only trees. Sometimes the leaves are touching our head and legs. Oh, now you have a little open space, as you can see. And one road goes this side. So we have come to a nice place. It's a nice small flattened ground. Up till now we were climbing up and down, right and left.
So that trail we can take up.
Yeah, I think so. That is a nice narrow way which can help us to go up.
On top of the mountain, right?
Yeah. That is a nice trail to go up.
That trail is good, right?
Yeah.
So we can go up to that mountain. I think we have done it a couple of times. Not now, long time back.
Yes,
You were
back.
not there. Me and my brother have actually gone up when we were kids. It's a good area, right? There's a trail going up. I think we don't go. How is that? Yeah, we have done it a couple of times.
So feel that this trail is a good one for us
The
to.
one is behind us. That one. You can see how beautiful this place is, right?
For a wonderful trail. Nice, lovely, cute little road to drive. We found a spot and now we are going back. And you can spot the beautiful mountains onto my right. Yeah. So friends, we are delighted that we are able to spot a place for our hiking, and it is safe, it is nice and beautiful. We can park our vehicle, our car over here, and from here till that mountain place where we showed you, we can go for a hiking and kids will enjoy it. You have lovely scenes at both your sides, okay? Lovely greenery on both the sides, and it would be almost 3 kilometers, I believe. Right now there is less air in our tire, in the back tire, so we gotta go and get the air filled in that. You might have seen the wonderful places that we have come on our way, we have come across, and those places are awesome to take lovely pictures for your Instagram. Great feeling, very refreshing and really awesome. So guys, I encourage each one of you, come out of your house, put on your shoes and let's go for trekking. Okay, we can give you more detail about it in our next video when we will be doing the trekking with our kids, because this is what the boys like the most. They are not able to come out, and this place is absolutely safe because you don't have much people walking up and down, so there's no danger for corona as such. Okay, we can easily maintain social distancing, and this little walk, a kind of adventurous one, would definitely be relaxation to each one of us. Hiking is a wonderful idea to get rid of all the stress and worries. You really feel fresh, you really get a nice workout, and in mind also we feel very refreshed walking through such lovely beautiful places that God has made. So we've been in the lockdown situation for last 5 months, right? And this is a new month, August 1st, and I encourage each one of you to come out and you'll really feel fresh. Check out a nice hiking spot and go for 2 to 3 kilometers walking, right, hiking, and that will really refresh you. That will really boost your morale and your spirit. It will renew your spirit, it will renew your mind, and also give a new strength to our bodies, right? We've been sitting, eating, and we have all put on weight. That's a fact. The more than physical workout that we can do even at home, doing exercise, but coming out to such a wonderful scenic beauty will refresh our mind and will definitely heal our souls and spirit. So come out guys and check and do the hiking. Before I sign out, please hit on the subscription button if you haven't subscribed our channel, and there is a big thumbs up over there down. Please hit on the like button. You can watch our videos and you can see wonderful places where we go and travel, right? And we try to capture as much as we can to bring the wonderful scenic beauty of Kerala to all our viewers. Okay, so share our videos, be one of our subscribers, support us, encourage us, and God bless you. Have a wonderful week ahead, a blessed month ahead. Be positive, share the love, share the joy. God bless you. Bye.